The challenge is that these molecules are very small. The size relation of a molecule like the one I showed to a human being is approximately the same as of a human being to the size of the moon. We currently don't have any instrument that would allow us to see a human being on the moon from the surface of our planet. But we do have an instrument which allows us now to see the molecules inside our cells. And not even that, we can even see the atoms that build up these molecules and see the details of all these molecules. The electron microscope is not a new instrument. It was developed almost 100 years ago. The problem is that there is a great challenge in studying biological objects using electron microscopy because there must be vacuum inside the electron microscope. And biological objects are composed primarily of water. And if you place an object containing water in a vacuum, it dries and the structure changes. If you switched on the electron beam then, the object is burned and the structure does not even remind us about the original object.